after your surgery, you go back to work relatively quickly. Usually people want to take a few days off of recovery just because of discomfort and recuperation. You can go back to light office work around 2 to 3 days after surgery, in which you are doing things in a controlled, comfortable fashion. Now, if your duties are more vigorous or more involving, there may be some more time in recovery. People may take about a week off where they go back to lighter restricted duties. If your work is more arduous or more difficult, you may take a little more time, and we'll work with you to find the timing that's best to get you back to work sooner.